Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Emerson. I am going to share with you my journey in creating a live investment portfolio. The goal of this portfolio is to generate income as well as investment growth. The strategy that I will implement is based on investment ideas that I have encountered while researching on how to invest. My plan is to invest 100 Singapore dollars or about 70 US dollars per week. My first investment idea at the moment is covered call ETF. A covered call ETF is an exchange-traded fund that invests in a diversified portfolio of stocks, while also selling call options on those stocks. This strategy is known as a covered call because the ETF has covered its exposure to the underlying stocks by selling call options on those stocks. I know that there are terms that are quite new for some fresh investors out there, but there are a lot of videos on YouTube that will explain options trading. My covered call ETF selection criteria is number 1, the price should be 70 US dollars or below. Number 2, the minimum distribution yield should be 6% per annum after taxes and management fees. I will use interactive brokers to buy stocks and ETFs for its low cost fees and access to global markets, especially Canada, where they have some good covered call ETFs. I have enabled trading in Canada in my interactive brokers account. The first covered call ETF that I purchased is JEPI from JP Morgan Asset Management. JEPI is listed on New York Stock Exchange ARCA. You can see live JEPI is already in my portfolio. So let's check out the JEPI ETF product page for more details at JP Morgan Asset Management website. One thing to look out for is the yield, which is 11.29%, and this is distributed monthly. Also, the expense ratio is 0.35% per annum. As you can see in the portfolio, the strategy of the ETF managers for investment growth, they are employing a time-based bottom-up fundamental research process with stock selection on their proprietary risk-adjusted stock rankings. For monthly yield, they are implementing written out of the money S&P 500 index call options to generate distributable monthly income. JEPI satisfies our selection criteria with a price of 54.31 US dollars at market close on February 21 and an annualized dividend yield of 11.29%. The distribution of yield frequency is monthly, which is nice. I purchased a share of JEPI for $54.40 on February 22, as shown in my interactive brokers portfolio, and currently losing 70 cents. One concern though is the US dividend tax on monthly yield for foreign investors. My guess is 30%, but I can only confirm once I receive the distribution. But even if we deduct 30% tax on dividends, the annual yield per annum is 7.9% at current prices, which is still good. Meanwhile, there is one minor inconvenience when buying an ETF and stocks in the US from Singapore. In interactive brokers, it will take 1 business day to settle Singapore dollar to US dollar conversion before you can buy US stocks. That's all for now. I will buy another covered call ETF next week. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.